YouTube is currently heavily focused on shorts, and there's a strong likelihood that YouTube will boost revenue per 1,000 views on shorts. Apart from ad revenue, there are numerous ways to monetize YouTube Shorts. You can potentially earn around $100 per day, and I'll demonstrate this at the end of the video. I'll also share insights on optimizing SEO for your shorts and effectively growing a YouTube Shorts channel in just 90 days. I've personally launched a separate YouTube channel for shorts, which I'll reveal once I reach my milestone. But today, I want to discuss a niche with minimal competition but high demand. It's called What If. Even if you're familiar with this niche, watching this video will offer new insights. First, let's envision what we'll create today.
What if one day we wake up to find the sun absent from the sky for an entire month? Darkness would engulf the world, disrupting our daily routines. Plants would wither without sunlight, and temperatures would plummet, challenging our ability to stay warm. The absence of daylight would affect our moods and productivity, leading to a collective sense of unease. Survival would become a daily struggle as we adapt to this unprecedented event.
The reason I urge you to start a Shorts channel is because I've witnessed a tremendous growth in subscribers from YouTube Shorts unlike ever before. So, it's imperative to start creating YouTube Shorts. Here's our plan. We need a well-written script that sounds natural, a realistic voiceover, compelling visuals, and an editing software to bring everything together. Let's begin with the script. We'll use the trusted chatgpt, but with a new approach to ensure our scripts feel authentic. Simply paste the special prompt provided in the description into chatgpt, and it will generate a unique story each time. Now, on to the voiceover. Choosing a unique voiceover is simple. Navigate to the voice library, select your preferred voice, generate a voiceover, and download it. Now, on to visuals. In Shorts, extensive editing isn't necessary. You just need captivating visuals for each scene. Generate images based on prompts from your script, ensuring quality and relevance. Once the images are ready, download them. Now, let's assemble everything in our editing software. Import all materials, including the voiceover and visuals. Trim any empty spaces in the voiceover and adjust the aspect ratio. Place images according to the voiceover. Apply animations and transitions, and add captions for accessibility. Lastly, choose background audio and export the video. To grow a Shorts channel rapidly, commit to posting one short daily for at least 90 days and consistently upload at a specific time. As for SEO, utilize 3 hashtags: shorts, a category hashtag, and a niche-specific hashtag. Now, let's discuss earning potential. With 5,000 subscribers, you'll receive sponsor offers, can join affiliate programs like Amazon, and enable YouTube ads monetization. Even with conservative estimates, you could earn over $100 daily from Shorts. Don't forget to subscribe for updates on my Shorts channel. If you're interested in learning retention editing, check out the video on the screen. It's free.